Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Tinley, local and long distance movers near me. A long distance move is over 100 miles from your current location. It can happen within the same state or outside your state. Long distance moves require a lot of preparation. Items getting damaged or not getting to the new location at the right time is a significant concern for this type of move. Reach out to us for the best long distance moving service. We have put all the essential things in place to enjoy a smooth and timely movement of your properties over long distances. Our professional movers handle your items with care, and our trucks are especially designed to accommodate your items. Our drivers are also highly experienced, and they follow every highway rule and get to your new residence on time. Local moves also require capable hands. Our local distance serves are very efficient. We deliver the best local distance services at budget-friendly prices. We charge as low as $30 to $40 an hour, and for detailed, top-notch local moves. Your items are well cared for, and we have excellent insurance coverage. Locals highly recommend us because of the valued service we provide to our clients. If you are in Tinley, reach out to us for a prompt and well-organized move. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Tinley moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.